Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you want to see all the apps you have downloaded on Google Play Store, even the ones you deleted, here's how. Open the Google Play Store app on your phone. Now tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Manage Apps and Devices. Tap the Manage tab at the top. Here you will see all the apps currently installed. To view your full download history, you will be given with this filter option here. Simply tap on it. And you can sort the list by name, by most used, by least used, by recently updated, and by the size. To view your full download history, tap this drop down menu. And here switch it to not installed. This shows apps you downloaded before but are no longer on your device. And that's it. Now you can easily track every app you have ever downloaded from the Play Store. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.